Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best record stylus is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components in your vinyl setup, directly impacting sound quality and the longevity of your cherished records, making its selection a pivotal decision for any audiophile or casual listener aiming to preserve their collection while enjoying pristine audio reproduction. Number 5. Big Fudge Vinyl Record Cleaning Kit. Bring your cherished vinyl collection back to life with our comprehensive cleaning kit. It's designed to restore the pristine sound and appearance of your records. This all-in-one solution provides everything you need for professional record maintenance. It ensures a thorough clean for both your records and stylus. The ultra-soft velvet brush gently lifts dust and debris without scratching. It's perfect for daily maintenance and preparing your records for a deeper clean. Our specially formulated cleaning liquid effectively removes grime and fingerprints. It leaves your record sparkling clean and enhances audio fidelity. Don't forget your stylus. The included brush carefully removes buildup, ensuring optimal tracking and extending its lifespan. Keep all your cleaning tools organized and protected with the included storage pouch. It makes sure everything is ready for your next listening session. Give your vinyl the professional treatment it deserves. This kit helps preserve your collection for years of enjoyment. What we like. This kit offers a complete 4-in-1 solution for your vinyl care needs. It includes everything from a velvet brush to a dedicated stylus cleaner, ensuring thorough maintenance. If you're looking for an all-in-one package to keep both your records and stylus pristine, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Ruby 4-pack Universal Turntable Stylus. This ceramic record player needle is designed to work with most turntables on the market today. It's compatible with popular brands like Crosley, ION, and Victrola, ensuring a perfect fit for your setup. Installing it is incredibly simple, requiring no special tools. You can easily replace your old needle by hand, getting you back to your music in no time. It plays 33, 13, 45, and 78 revolutions per minute records. Crafted from high-grade ABS plastic and an aluminum arm, it features a conical diamond ceramic needle. This robust design ensures a long playing life and delivers excellent voice and music rendition. Experience strong tracking ability and exceptional sound quality with this stylus. Its 2-channel stereo design and conical tip provide better bass response and greater realism for your favorite LPs. Each stylus comes well protected in foam to prevent damage during transit. For optimal performance, please check your turntable cartridge for compatibility before ordering. If you're unsure, feel free to contact us first. What we like. This option provides a fantastic value with a 4-pack of replacement styli. Its broad compatibility means it will likely fit your existing player, and installation is incredibly simple. If you need multiple reliable replacements for various common turntables and appreciate easy DIY, this pack is ideal. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract any points as the source content is empty. Number 3. Big Fudge Record Cleaning Kit Professional Series. Bring your cherished vinyl collection back to life with this comprehensive cleaning solution. It's designed to gently remove dust and grime, ensuring optimal sound quality. This kit includes a specialized vinyl brush and powerful cleaning fluid. Together, they work to meticulously clean your records, preserving their integrity. Don't forget your stylus. This professional series also features a unique stylus gel. It helps maintain the delicate needle, extending its lifespan and improving playback. Combat static and stubborn dust with the included anti-static velvet brush. It ensures a pristine, static-free listening experience every time you drop the needle. Keep all your cleaning essentials neatly organized and protected in a convenient padded storage case. It makes sure everything is ready for your next cleaning session. This professional series kit provides everything you need for superior vinyl maintenance. Give your records the care they deserve and enjoy crystal clear audio. What we like. Stepping up, this professional series kit offers advanced cleaning features like stylus gel and an anti-static velvet brush. It ensures a deeper clean and static reduction for optimal sound. If you are a serious collector seeking premium care and enhanced audio quality, this kit is designed for you. What people say. No reviews available in the source JSON to extract points from. The provided source JSON is empty, therefore no points can be quoted. Number 2. Audio-Technica at VMN95E Elliptical Replacement Stylus. Is your turntable sound not what it used to be? This is the perfect replacement stylus for your at VM95E cartridge. It brings back the crisp, clear audio you love. It works seamlessly with a wide range of Audio-Technica turntables. Enjoy its performance with models like the AT LP120X, AT LP3XBT, and many more in the AT LPW and AT LP series. This stylus is part of the versatile VM95 series. You can easily swap it with any other VM95 series stylus, allowing for quick upgrades or different sound profiles. No complicated tools or expertise needed. Installing it is incredibly simple, just snap it onto your existing cartridge, and you're ready to play. It features a high-quality 0.3 by 0.7 mm elliptical stylus. This bonded shank construction ensures accurate tracking and excellent sound reproduction for your vinyl. What we like. This replacement stylus offers elliptical precision, delivering detailed and accurate sound reproduction. It's part of the versatile at VM95 series, allowing for easy upgrades within the same cartridge. If you own a compatible Audio-Technica player and prioritize audio fidelity and future upgradability, this is your go-to. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. The source JSON was empty, therefore no product features or facts could be quoted. Number 1. Record player cartridge and diamond stylus replacement. Upgrade your listening experience with these super quality replacement needles. They deliver high output and excellent durability, ensuring your music sounds its best. Featuring a diamond stylus, these replacements provide a clearer, smoother stereo sound. Plus, their precise design ensures they won't harm your cherished vinyl albums. These needles are compatible with a wide range of record players on the market. They work seamlessly with popular brands like Crosley, audiophile, and many more. Forget complicated tools and boosters. You can easily install and replace these record needles yourself, getting back to your music in no time. Each brand new needle offers approximately 200 to 300 hours of use, depending on your listening habits. This ensures consistent, high-quality audio for an extended period. Your purchase includes 1 turntable cartridge and 4 premium diamond stylus replacements. Each needle comes in its own protective plastic box to prevent damage. What we like. This package provides exceptional long-term value, including a full cartridge plus 4 diamond styli replacements. The diamond stylus ensures clear, smooth sound and extended playing life. If you frequently listen to records and want a complete, durable replacement solution that will last, this is a smart investment. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.